Hi everyone, I am Lauren Boucher and today I'm going to be making Mandarin salad. I like it because it's simple and I always thought I didn't like oranges or mandarins in my salad, but then Austin had it at a restaurant and he said just throw some peanut sauce in there and it's good. And now I love the salad. So I got a bunch of romaine and I got some chow mein noodles. Mandarins, of course, and peanut sauce. And I like tomatoes, so I'm probably gonna add tomatoes, and if you want, you can add chicken to this. Probably add some cucumber, might be nice. So first, wash the lettuce. I'm gonna take off like 3 or 4 stalks. Shoot. So I'm gonna wash this real quick. Got my towel. So the lettuce has been washed. I'm just drying it a little bit right here. I did use a sponge to try and get all the extra dirt off of it. And I just use my hands and break it up like so. I like using romaine because it's nice and crunchy. I've been on a romaine kick because I've also been making a lot of Caesar salads. Okay, next, throw some oranges in. Peel, peel. I'm not usually a one-piece peel person. That wasn't too bad, that was 3 pieces. And I don't love the white inside, so I just picked that off. You could cut these, but they're already so little you really don't need to. So just throw them right in. One more. You know what I think helps? I think it helps to have nails. Oh yeah, that was a 2-piecer. Okay, yum. Next, I just got these chow mein noodles. Check them first. Don't be skimpy with your chow meins. I forgot to buy these at the grocery store, so last time I made the salad I just used croutons. And I got organic peanut sauce. Any peanut sauce will do. But this one's really good. Ooh. Coat it. So tossing this salad is a very important step. What makes a good salad is one that's fully coated. When the freaking lettuce actually has dressing on it. Oh man, I'm making a huge mess. Hopefully this peanut sauce doesn't stain. I'm gonna use a little more because this is a pretty big salad. This peanut sauce smells so good. Let's try a bite before. You might not think it, but the peanut sauce goes so well with the orange. It's so good. Delicious summer salad. It's almost summer, so I'm trying to eat more salads. And yeah, if you just want a new salad idea, really simple one, quick, easy, try the salad. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.